Hello everyone and welcome to my daily disaster news channel.
موجة غبار على مدينة تمير. واحد شعبان.
The information in the video shows an incident on March the 5th, 2022 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
توني طلعت من البيت، الغبار هذا ويش؟ الرياض. شرق الرياض سبحان الله.
An intense sandstorm covered Saudi Arabia's capital of Riyadh on Friday.
أهل الرياض يا أهل الرياض، العجة الآن وصل التفتيش الطريق القصير.
It trapped the city in overwhelming residue mist that hampered perceivability, influenced temperature, and caused significant traffic delays. Despite being inconsistent to take place in this season, the tempest still made ominous conditions, creating warm conditions with the maximum temperature of 30 degrees above zero and minimum temperature of 16 degrees below zero. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.